Why spend hundreds of dollars on expensive software when you can get the same results for free? In this video, I'll show you 5 free AI tools that replace popular paid software and save you money. First up is Photopea. Think of it as Photoshop in your browser. You can edit images, work with layers, and even handle PSD files, all for free. If you've ever wanted Photoshop but didn't want to pay the subscription, Photopea is your go-to. Next is Canva Free, and it's not just about pretty graphics. Canva now has built-in AI tools that can generate designs, text, and even presentations. It easily replaces expensive design software for everyday use, perfect for beginners and pros alike. For writing, Quillbot helps you paraphrase, tighten sentences, and improve clarity in one click. Great for emails, blogs, and study notes. No premium plan required. Next, we have TinyWow. This is a free all-in-one online toolkit packed with AI and productivity features. You can remove backgrounds, convert PDFs, summarize text, and even edit videos, all without downloading any software. If you need a quick fix for files or creative tasks, TinyWow has you covered. Finally, Remove.bg, the easiest way to remove image backgrounds in one click. No Photoshop skills needed, just upload your photo and you're done. And that's it. 5 free AI tools that replace expensive software. Which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smartify for more AI hacks that save you time and money.